back Structure Studios 101 Pulse Studio Blue. Today we're going to be doing a shed to house connection per request in our Facebook group VIP 3D Core Essentials, and let's get right into it. This is not going to take very long at all. I'm in the House tab. I am on my snaps are set up as grid, relative angle, and auto complete. And let's see what else we got here. My grid is on a 1" for accuracy, and that is it. All right, so let's do. Let's just draw like a box here. So this will be like the lower section of the house, and we'll offset this, whatnot. Okay, so it's going to be like this. So this is the only kind of image that I had. We're going to go ahead and set this to elevation 0, and this was like a 2-story section of the house. So it's something like this right here. So we're going to add a shed section connection right here. So let's do, what I normally would do is for a 2-story house, I would draw my walls, my lower or first floor level walls first, like this. And then let's just say that let's say that this was like this did something like this. So this house was like this, and then there was like a 8-foot section that kind of kicked out, 14 feet. And it kind of goes back like this, and it kind of went back again like this right here. Here we go. So something like this right here. So this will be my first floor. So it'll be like this. Let's change these materials here. This is some siding. So, whoops. There we go. All right, so it's like siding. And then there's like a upper second floor section, house tab. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get back on this back corner. A for line. I'm just going to go down. Click, and then D shortcut key for outline tool. I'm going to roll this over for my second floor. Click, and then I know this is plus 10 feet, so I'm going to make my elevation 10, and there's my second floor, and then I'm going to put my roof line on that. So it'd be something like this. Technically, this is going to be a little bit large, so let's make this a couple of feet smaller here. It's like 6 feet. So it'd be something like this right here. Okay. Also, always separate your floors. You build things in sections from the ground up, just like you would do in real life if you were building a house, constructing a house in real life. You have your first floor frame pack. You build your first floor. You lay your foundation, build your first floor frame pack, and then you build your second floor frame pack on top of it. What this does is separate your floors, and then you separate your walls from your roof lines. But in this case, I don't really know, so I just added a roof onto this. So for this section in particular, let's make this a little bit smaller to kind of more reflect that image. Something like this. So all I would do at this point is go A for line, get on this corner here, click, D shortcut key for outline tool, and whoops, and click. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make this section a roof only section by using this roof only button in the house stage. And then I'm going to roll this up to 10 feet and full roof. And then so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, the sides or ends and the back that connects to the house all needs to be a gable. So I'm going to click on my roof section button, and I'm going to highlight this white. I'm going to one-click left click to highlight white. I'm going to hold control. I'm going to click this in back here. And I'm going to do these first. Because if I did this, if I clicked all 3 sides and clicked gable, well, it actually worked on this one. So that's how we're going to do. So you can, let's reset this. So highlight, one left click while it's still highlighted, hold control, click the highlight, it turns white, click the highlight, it turns white. Leave this front section of hip, change it to gable, and there you have it. Oh, but it's open. Well, not a big deal, just add an inch to it. Now it's closed. So there you go. Here's a hip section, and you can adjust your overhangs accordingly. So, but this section is too long now, and I don't really want it going back into the house that much, so never fear. With the latest house tools, you can just one click the back side of this soffit or overhang, and you just grab your grab handle and move it. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Always remember to separate your roof sections from your walls and separate your floors, because what that does is going to give you a little bit more flexibility to manipulate these complex houses and semi-complex houses. This one right here is very simple, but in the future, yeah, that's the way you do it. Divide and conquer, build in sections. Structure Studios is a block puzzle. It is not civil engineering. So think simple. Always think simple. And that's the way to do it, guys. So if you have any questions, please post up. Come see us over in our Facebook group, VIP 3D Core Essentials. Request to join. We'll get you in there. You can, if you get stuck on stuff like this right here, make a request. We'll throw out a quick video to help you out and get you going, so you're not stuck on something here. So again, always be creative, and come on, see us. Facebook VIP 3D Core Essentials. Catch you on the next one.